In today's video, I'm going to teach you here's how to delete a section in the Shopify theme editor, desktop. First, make sure you're on your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, go to Online Store, then choose Themes. This is where all of your themes live, including the one that's currently live on your storefront and any drafts you're working on. If you have more than one theme, take a second to confirm which one you intend to edit so you don't make changes in the wrong place. Next, find the theme you want to edit and click Customize. That opens the theme editor, which shows a live preview on the right and a sidebar on the left where all your sections are organized. Think of the left sidebar as the outline of the page you're currently viewing. Before you remove anything, make sure you're on the right page or template. Sections can be template-specific. For example, a section on your homepage won't necessarily exist on your product pages. Use the template drop-down at the top of the editor to switch to the exact page that contains the section you want to delete, such as Home, Product, Collection, or a custom template. This step prevents you from removing a section from the wrong page layout. Now, in the left-hand sidebar, scroll to find the section you want to remove. If you're not sure which one it is, click the section name and look at the preview on the right. The editor will usually highlight that area so you can confirm you've got the right piece of content. Keep in mind that blocks are items inside a section, like individual images or text lines, while a section is the entire container. Today, we're removing the whole section. When you hover your mouse over the section name in the sidebar, you should see a delete or remove button or a small trash can icon depending on your theme. Click Remove. Some themes may ask you to confirm. If so, confirm to proceed. If you change your mind immediately, you can often use the undo button in the editor to restore it before saving. Finally, click Save in the upper right corner of the theme editor. Your change won't be applied to the theme until you save. If you're editing your live theme, the update will go live once saved. If you're editing a draft theme, the change is saved to that draft only. That's all it takes to delete a section in the Shopify theme editor on desktop. Open your theme, pick the correct template, remove the section from the sidebar, and save. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.